Are you looking for the best 3D scanner? In this video, we will show 4 best 3D scanner. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. RevoPoint MetroX Pro 3D Scanner for 3D printing. Industrial grade precision, 0.01 millimeters, 30 plus 15 blue laser scan, full color scanning, for reverse engineering and automotive modeling, advanced. Scanner type, 3D scanners. Brand, RevoPoint. Model name, MetroX Pro. Connectivity technology, USB. Industrial grade high precision scanning. Flawlessly capture every detail and dimension with MetroX Pro's industrial grade blue laser scanning. It offers single frame precision of up to 0.01 millimeters, single frame accuracy of up to 0.02 millimeters, and volumetric accuracy of 0.02 millimeters plus 0.04 millimeters times L in meters, easily meeting the needs of precision modeling and industrial measurement. 4 scanning modes, 30 crossline lasers, efficiently capture flat, shiny, or dark surfaces. 15 parallel lines capture fine features, edges, and corners. 62-line full-field blue structured light perform marker-free scans of feature-rich objects up to 7 million points per second. Auto turntable, one-click automated scans. PC to mobile real-time streaming. Stream your scan from your PC to a phone, tablet, or display in real time via the Revo Mirror app. See your scan take shape, detect data gaps, and move around freely without holding your laptop, enabling a more efficient workflow. Number 2. Creality Otter Lite Basic 3D Scanner with high precision 0.05 millimeters, auto scanning, color texture support, portable design for 3D printing, reverse engineering, and DIY projects. High precision and dual mode scanning. Otter Lite Basic achieve professional grade accuracy with 0.05 millimeters resolution and support for both close range 100 to 200 millimeters and long range 250 to 1500 millimeters scanning modes. Capture fine details on objects as small as 20 millimeters by 20 millimeters by 20 millimeters with ease. Full color texture mapping and high speed. Otter Lite Basic, equipped with RGB and infrared cameras, the scanner captures true color 3D models at up to 30 FPS. Export in OBJ, STL, or PLY formats, perfect for 3D printing, animation, VR, and reverse engineering. Plug-and-play and portable design. Weighing only 235 grams and featuring a compact form factor, the Otter Lite Basic is highly portable. Includes a turntable, calibration board, markers, and a carrying case for on-the-go scanning. Number 3. RevoPoint MetroY Pro 3D Scanner for 3D printing. Up to 0.01 millimeter precision. 34 plus 15 plus 1 industrial blue laser handheld scanner. 62-line full field, real-time preview, built-in Wi-Fi 6, full-color 3D scan. Scanner type, 3D scanners. Brand, RevoPoint. Model name, Revo MetroY Pro Standard. Resolution, high resolution, exact DPI not specified. Item weight, 450 grams. Minimum system requirements, Windows, Mac OS. Power source, internal battery. Minimum required operating system version, Mac OS 12 Monterey, Windows 10. Industrial grade accuracy. Capture every detail flawlessly with MetroY's advanced blue lasers, offering precision of up to 0.01 millimeters, accuracy of up to 0.02 millimeters, and volumetric accuracy of up to 0.02 millimeters plus 0.04 millimeters times LM. It ensures accurate, reliable results for reverse engineering, metrology, and 3D printing. 5 powerful scanning modes. Handle all scanning scenarios with MetroY Pro's 34 cross lines for quickly capturing surfaces, 15 parallel lines for detailed scanning, single-line deep hole scanning, ultra-fast 62-line full-field blue structured light, and ultra-detailed auto turntable modes. Fast scans, no scanning spray needed. Capture shiny and dark surfaces with ease, no scanning spray needed in any laser mode. Achieve high-efficiency results with scanning speeds of up to 2 million points per second.
Number 4. CZUR Aura Pro Book and Document Scanner. Capture A3 and A4. Auto flatten and deskew powered by AI technology. Foldable and portable. Compatible with Windows and Mac OS. Scanner type, document. Brand, CZUR. Model name, Aura Pro. Connectivity technology, USB. Resolution, 4320 by 3420. Item weight, 1.5 kilograms. Color depth, 24 bits. Standard sheet capacity, 3. Optical sensor technology, CIS. Fast and multi-format. Ultra-fast scanning speed of just 2 seconds per page. Output files to JPEG, Word, PDF, and searchable PDF. Scanner plus smart lamp. Glare-free, non-flickering, and easy-to-eyes 4-color temperature settings, controlled by CZUR app. Sound control technology, no Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection needed. 32 LED light plus 2 supplemental side light, giving the best lighting condition for both scanning and reading. Flattening curved book page technology. It utilizes 3 precise laser lines for incredible scanning accuracy and image clarity. This gives the Aura the ability to scan and exactly replicate the individual flat pages of curved books. AI technology incorporated in the software makes scanning and image processing smarter and simpler.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.